Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back Azra's World. Today we are going to make a funny elephant with paper. For that we need rolled paper, 2 circles, pink color pencil, black sketch pen, red triangle, 2 triangles, rectangle shape paper, glue stick and pencil. So we can go for making. First of all, take 2 triangles, then fold it at sharp point. Then take glue and we can stick it inside the triangle. Then we can take that rolled paper, pencil and we can roll it very tightly. Look like this. Then we can paste the glue and stick it. Then take that 2 triangles and that rolled paper. We can stick that rolled paper between 2 triangles. Look like this. Then we can make that trunk for elephant. Take that rectangle shape paper, black sketch pen. Then we can draw 3 lines. Take the pencil and we can roll it very tightly. Don't roll it full of the paper, only roll it half of the paper. Then we can stick it between 2 triangles. Then we can make ear for elephant. Then we can stick it. Then take pink color pencil. Then we can color it a little. Don't color it full of the ear. Then we can make eyes for elephant. Then we can stick it. That shaded part should be down. First I make a drum for elephant. I hope all know to make drum. In this video I am not showing to make drum. You can stick it nearby the trunk. So our elephant is ready here. Please try this one. Very easy to make. It's so nice to see when you're blowing. If you like this video, please subscribe. Press the bell button. Like this video. Bye bye.